Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're doing quite well. And here product mockup volume 1, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access my all file. Go to sheri.com. Just one time payment for lifetime access. Here all files are PSD for Photoshop. Total size of this folder 7.99 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it in 3 parts. Can mockup, and here baseball cap, billboard mockup, bottle juice, business card mockup, coffee tin cap, and here cosmetic packing kit mockup, dropper bottle, ice cream, soda can, notebook can, tape mockup. You can put your own brand here. TV in living room, TV mockup, social media post mockup like Instagram. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. I love it.